Hey, yeah, what it is, what it do, it's your boy Jay Smooth. Welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. And today, got a video for you for the Can Am Ryker. Another one. Anyways, check it out. So, in true ballin' on a budget fashion, if you guys remember, like two episodes ago, I did the throttle hack for under 10 bucks. Now that was cool and it worked, but unfortunately on my last ride, I think I must have bumped it or something, or yanked it with my finger or my thumb or something, and I lost it. It's on the side of the road somewhere. So with that came the opportunity to make another one. So yeah, this time around I wanted to improve on my original design, and you already know, in a true ballin' on a budget fashion, I wasn't gonna spend a $150 for the throttle lock. Nope, we're not gonna have that. No. So you already know I'm a little bit of a MacGyver from my time in the army. So what I did is I went on good old eBay. So you already know, eBay all day, and I found this NEP cruise control. This is it right here. So it's nylon plastic. It's not the sturdiest, you know, like the throttle lock. It's made out of metal. It's plastic, but I got it for 24 bucks. I figured, 24 bucks. I was already in what, like $6 with the other one that was made out of the O-ring. So I got this for 24 bucks. I figured, hey, let's give it a shot. Now, it is not made for the Ryker. It is made for Honda, Suzuki's, and Yamahas. But anyhow, I got it, and it didn't really necessarily work as intended right away, but I was able to modify it. So let's get into it. Alright, so what I did is I went ahead and drilled a hole on the side tab. Then I went ahead and grabbed myself this corner brace, drilled out two of the holes a little bit bigger, and then I bent it so that I could go ahead and mount it onto the throttle thing. So let me just show you. Come on. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back a little bit. And pull this back. There we go. Alright, next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and I've already bolted on the corner brace, and it's been bent into shape. Now, and here's my plastic washer that I made. That's gonna go over right there. And this, that's a step, hold on. You're gonna need to remove this top bolt. Alright, so now that I removed this top bolt, as you can see, if you take a closer look, I had to make this hole a little bigger, and as well as this one, I had to make it a little bigger so that it would fit in here, and I had to drill this out. Anyways, so once that's done, this goes right there. Alright, this attaches like so. Alright. Alright. Perfect. That's good. So testing it out. Make sure there's no resistance. And then lock it. There it goes. Release it. That's it. Alright. And then this goes here. There we go. And that is it. And that is what it looks like. Now, if you see my paint work, it's a little sloppy right here because I didn't wait for it to dry. I just sprayed it black and, you know, put it on there. But, you know, if you want to do it cleaner, you know, I just was trying to hide the shiny metal, you know. But yeah, that's it. I mean, it looks like it's pretty good. I know it's like plastic, and you know, compared to the throttle lock that's metal. So who knows if this is gonna last that long, but 25 bucks is better than 150. Now this piece here is a kind of a washer that I made out of 2-liter bottle plastic. And this is just so that when the rubber grip is up against the throttle lock, it just moves freely without any friction or resistance. And that is it. There you have it. Another Smooth Customs ballin' on a budget hack for you guys. Not very hard to do. I went ahead and coated mine in spray bed liner, blacked it out so that it's not so obvious that I MacGyvered it. It fit pretty good. Yeah, and it works great. Haven't had an issue with it so far. I'll let you know further if there's any other problems that I have with it, but so far it's working so really good. I took it out this morning. I hit the highway, locked it in, no problems, and I don't have a video of it, but you know. There you go. That's it. Quick video. Hope you liked it. Maybe it helps you out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Oh, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, baby. I got more videos for y'all, man.
These haters be trying to knock us, think they hate all they want, but they just can't stop us. We got girls